got some. Hey, how you doing? So today we got an N64 with an HDMI mod from Hispeedido Scrumptious. I don't freaking know, but we got one and we're gonna install it. So the first thing you want to do is just tack it down, make sure it's not gonna move, line it up with pin 6, and then start soldering. Now I'm gonna load this thing up, that way I can clean it up afterwards and make sure that it's all nice and flooded. I don't recommend you do this. I'm just crazy, so don't mind me. We're just gonna go hard mode on this one. Screw it. Looks pretty good. Let's go. Thanks everybody for watching. Enjoy your night, or day, or morning, year, month, week, hour. You know, that stuff.